Hey lovelies, thank you for tuning back into my channel. This is a quick video on how I cut this simple top. I used a muslin fabric just for illustration. I had 2 yards of muslin fabric and I went ahead and folded them in 4 equal parts. And on my center fold, I am measuring out my body measurements. For the neckline, I had 5.5 inches for the neck width. And for the neck depth, I used 3 inches. In order for me to get my sleeve length, I measured out my shoulder width, which was 15 inches, divided by 2 gives me 7.5. So from that point, I am measuring out down to my sleeve length, how long I want my sleeve to be. I wanted a long sleeve, so I'm using a long sleeve. I did 22, added with an extra 1 inch, and that gives me 23. And that 1 inch is for the band casing, yeah. And right now I am taking my measurements from the shoulder down by 10 inches to get my bust line. This is a free top and I wanted, that is also the width for my sleeve. So on the bust line, I am measuring out my body measurements. That's my bust measurement divided by 4. I have 8 inches. The actual fabric for this design is actually a stretchy crepe fabric. So if you want to go ahead and use your exact bust measurements for a very fitted, for a good fit, you can do that. But in this case, I want mine to be a little bit free on me. And here we have the front and the back of our top. Remember, I am cutting this out on a crepe fabric, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.